Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, driver memory seats, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.